Hey guys, good morning. How are you doing? All right, I think a good number of people have joined. Hi Sunitra, good morning. Hi Samarendra. Hi Gayatri. Hi Deepali. Hi Piyu. Hi Sasikala. Hello Sneha. Hi Priyanka. Hi Divya. Hi Gayatri. Good morning to everybody. How are you guys doing? All are good? How is the weather? How are the surroundings and how are things around? Staying home? Good, that's right. That's good. All right, good to know so many of you right now. I see a lot of new faces as well. This is Jagan representing Fume, and today we are going to have a ball of a time with upper body workout and abs. By the way, how many are basically are you guys a regular to this Fume sessions? How many are regular and how many are coming for the first time or second time? Good morning, Sanjay. So, are you guys regular or you are coming once in a while, showing up? Hi, Manju. Good morning. So, guys, did you got my question? Are you guys a regular to the session or once in a while or first time or second time? Sweta Padma, third session, great. Samarendra is telling is regular, that's good. How about others? I see a lot of new faces in the sense who are less than 5 classes. Yeah, maybe you guys can type. And Sneha Ranjan, first time, great Sneha, glad to meet you. Lakshmi, good morning. Nitya, good morning. Deepali is telling I'm regular. Piyu also first time, great. Manju is regular, that's great. Nitya also first time, wow, great. By the way, the first timers, why don't you tell which place you belong to? Why don't you introduce yourself? That will be great to know. And for everybody in general, a question I have. Hi Vijay Lakshmi, good morning. Sasikala, good morning. I see a lot of new top fans. Vijay Lakshmi is a top fan, Sasikala is a top fan. It's good. This is good. That means even I think a few more are new top fans. So Lakshmi Bharadwaj, second week, Gayatri is regular. Great. Are you guys enjoying those few workout sessions? How you guys finding it? Meena is telling his first time. Great. Are you guys enjoying few workout sessions? Good morning, Shimanchal. My son is telling I'm new. That's good. My son, you'll enjoy. I see a lot of good new faces. New people, please introduce which place you belong to. Your native. Great, Sasikala, you are a top fan, enjoying a lot. Sneha is telling for Ranchi, great. That's nice, good. Alright, while you guys type which place you belong to for the new people specially and others and everyone in general, you can tell how you find the classes. Are they boring? Are they exciting? Or give you a lot of energy and all these things. Please mention how you find the classes. I mean, are you enjoying and all? Meanwhile, let me tell you what I'm gonna do today. So today is upper body workout and abs workout. We'll work on your upper body, chest, shoulders, arms and also abs, right? So why it's required to do upper body workout? It's because to maintain a good posture, good form, so that you don't find like that actually creates an impression in anybody's eyes how you're like. If your upper body decides multiple factors, right? So we'll do 4 rounds, 4 different exercises for the warm-up. Then warm-up, you can call it starter. The main exercise, there will be 4 exercises, there will be again cool down. So warm up, there will be 4 exercises and each of them will do for at least 10 to 15 times. Then there will be main exercises, there will be 4 exercises, we'll do 10 to 15 times, 4 iterations. Warm up is 2 iterations, main exercise is 4 iterations and final cool down, right? Good. You can't see video, so Shraddhanjali, why you cannot see video, I'm not sure. I think you should be able to see it. Rakesh, good morning. Mahesan, good morning. Okay, somebody can discuss with Shraddhanjali. There's some network problem maybe. Great. So all are enjoying. Sweta Padma is enjoying. Vijay Lakshmi is enjoying. Gayatri is from Bangalore. Great. Great guys. So let's start with the warm up. Let me before we start, I'll just quickly give you the intro, how exactly demonstrate the exercises, and once you get the demonstration, then we'll start doing it. All right, good. So there are 4 different exercises in warm-up. We're gonna do it. Okay, let me explain you what I'm gonna do. First, what we'll do is world greatest stretch. Okay, world greatest stretch. So be in the plank, then lunge forward, and after that, rise up, bend down, elbow down, and then up. Now back, then again lunge forward other side, rise your hand up, elbow down, go up, right? So this is a world's greatest stretch. We're gonna do 10 to 15 times each side. So what is required? Good for your complete whole body warm-up. And warm-up is very much important to give you the excitement, the energy, to give the energy, blood to the, all the different parts and get the body ready for the main workout. Okay. Next one is mountain climbers. We'll do 10 times. What is mountain climbers? Be in the plank. Now count 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can't do like this, possibly, what you can do, you can slow down a little bit. Because mountain climber is a complete dynamic exercise. Do slowly. It's a little slow version, but yeah. 10 times mountain climber, and you are doing world greatest stretch, right? The 2 exercises done. Next is, okay, boxer shuffle. Boxer shuffle is nothing but jogging at your place, getting ready for the main workout, and getting the energy, getting the muscles ready. You'll do 10 times. Okay, 10 times each side, 10 times right, left, 20 times total. Yeah. So boxer shuffle. The 3rd exercise, and 4th one is cross jack. Cross jack is a different version of jumping jack. What I'm gonna do is keep your legs wide. Okay. Look at my hands now. Okay, you can do like this. Keep your legs together, hands like this. Then look at my legs, cross. Okay, this is cross jack. If you can't do it, simple one. The easier one I can tell you how to do it. Maybe jumping jack is the easier one for you, or maybe shuffling around, you can do it. This is the easier one. If you can't do cross jack, this is the easier one. Okay. So, and the real ones, I mean the advanced guys, do like this, cross. Your hands are crossing, your legs are also crossing, right? So there are 10 to 15 times, so just 15 times you have to do it, okay? Get ready for the great warm-up, because if you don't have the starter, you can't enjoy the main course. Alright. Niranjan is telling good morning. Gayatri is enjoying. Gayatri is new, he's enjoying, great. Sweta Padma also new, she's enjoying. Great guys, I see the energy, excitement, the weather is very good. Everybody feel like sleeping, but you guys I'm proud of you. It's not easy to wake up at 6:36 and come to the classes. It's not easy because the weather is so good. Everybody wants to sleep. Okay, you guys are awesome. Great. All right, great. Let's start, guys. So let's start with world greatest stretch. 10 times each side. So plank position, lunge forward. 1, 2, back. 1, 2. Again going back. Lunge forward. 1, 2. This. Let me know if I need to slow down. It's quite simple. Third iteration, you have to do 10 times like this. Alright, I just need some music for you. Keep you up and running before you start it. I think that will be good. Just a sec. I know you are gonna enjoy some music along with this, but sometimes so involved in workouts. Ready? Alright, we'll do again, no problem. I'm fine. We'll start with the warm-up right now. Get ready, guys. Alright, music is there to keep you engaged and happy. And let's start with the warm-up. First warm-up, world greatest stretch. We'll do again 10 times. So, Again, I'm gonna show you 10 times. Plank, straight plank. No bending on the hips, down, hips up. No bending, straight. Complete straight body. The way I am, you have to be like the same way. Straight line, no movements. Straight. Your palms are just below the shoulders. Look straight. Look down, that's okay. But your palms should be below the shoulders. Now let's start the warm up. Lunge forward. Up. Down. Again up. Down. Now, lunge for the other side. Raise the hand. Elbow down. Elbow up. Done. One iteration done. 10 times like this. Lunge forward. Hand up. Again down. Again up. Down. Again other leg. Lunge forward. Okay. 2 times done. 10 times you have to do. Okay, the other leg. This is the third iteration. It's quite simple. If you can't do 10 times, do it 5 times at least. Other leg forward. Raise the hand. Elbow down. Again the raise hand. Back up. Leg down. Lunge forward. Hand up. Look up. Hand down. Look up. Again, lunge forward the leg. Same thing. 4 times done. 5th. Alright. This is the 5th time done. 5 more to go quickly. Raise your hand. Down. Again one more. Lunge forward. Elbow down. Elbow up. Look up. Alright guys. Maybe you can do 10 times, if not 6 to 7 times is good. Just to give the warm up for the full body. Get energy. 3 more times to go. Lunge forward. Raise the hand. 2 times. Left and right. Left and right. 2 more to go. Lunge forward. Hand up. Arms up. Look up. Other leg. Lunge forward. Last one. Alright. Looking good. We're done with the first warm up. First exercise. Just getting enough. Oh. First warm up is done. That's good. Meanwhile, I see the people getting the excitement from you guys. Mahesh is ready. Susmita is ready. Good morning, Susmita ji, the first time. Asa is ready. Great. So let me start with the second warm up. By the way, if you're not able to do 10 times, it's okay to do for 5 to 6 times. Just make sure that you are doing it. Your body should be warmed up. Okay. Now moving to the next exercise, which is 10 mountain climbers. 10. Total 10. Okay. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. 10 mountain climbs is done. Quite simple. Looking easy. Hi, good morning. Great. All get a stretch. You are able to do Vijay Lakshmi. That's great. 10 times. Awesome. Brahmananda, great. Good morning. You just got started. Good Brahmananda. Nothing we have lost so far. Everything to gain. So, 10 mountain climbs done. Boxer shuffle. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. The warm-ups are great, guys. So you give enough energy, excitement to bring you back to the main exercises. Great. We're done with boxer shuffle. Final one is cross jack. Okay. So cross jack will do 10 to 15 times. If you guys just watch me, or you can do, everything is fine. Nothing wrong with that. But make sure you do it. It's a great exercise for great warm up for the main exercise. Cross jack. Cross your legs. Whew. See the pose now. You want to do like this or the way you want to do it. That's okay. like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Done, guys. Everything is green around. It's a green zone. Done with the warm up. Are you done, guys? Yeah. Easy ones. Yeah. If you are not able to cross jack, the simple ones is like this. This is the easier one if you want to do it. I mean, if you have knee pain, joint pain, all this stuff, you are not able to jump, do like this. Alright, so we are done with the first set. Who is done? Wow, Brahmananda, you just came, you completed, that's great. First set is done, guys. Moving to the second set now. The people who are not, I mean, you're still doing it, please continue, or maybe you can just start the second set as well, no issues. Have some water in between breaks. Keep your lungs open. Keep breathing, don't stop breathing. Very important to breathe enough so that your body gets the oxygen and you get the energy as well. Okay? Great. So all get a stretch. 10 times each side. We'll do again. Second set, last warm-up set. Gonna do it now. Plank position. Stretch plank, looking down. Lunge forward. Hand to raise your hand down, elbow down, again press. This is one side, other side as well, same thing. Elbow down, again up. 1, done. Lunge forward, other side. Same thing I'm doing as well. Alright, that's good. This is a complete spine work. Your body is straight, your back is straight, not moving around, making sure your back is not bending. You're just being straight. 2 done, 8 more to go. This is the third one. Make sure while you move your legs, that's just next to your palms. Alright, let me guys. Third done, moving to the fourth one, 6 more to go. I'm not gonna do it, we're gonna make it big, not stuck. There's no break in between while you're doing one particular warm-up exercise. Wow. 4 more, 1 greater stretch. Wow. Awesome. Good movements. 7 times done, 3 more to go. So you are moving the leg forward, you can feel your hip flexors, your deltoids, your upper body, thighs, quadriceps, all moving together. It's a whole body exercise. It gives a good warm up. 2 more to go. Just enough to get you heated up. Ha, last one. Wow. Just enough to get you heated up. Wow, done. Just 15-second break now. Going on to the next warm up. Wow, done. Nitya 21. Gayatri is 20. Done. Lakshmi is done. Okay, Mahesh, great. Priyanka also done. So, now we move to the next warm-up, which is mountain climbers, 10 times. 5 plus 5 you can do, no issues. Whew. Touch my elbow to the ground and lift my hand up, that's good. Awesome, gives you good flexibility, guys. Awesome exercise, the stretch is good. Do you like the stretch, guys? It's really awesome. So there are 10 mountain climbers. Okay, hand down, plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Simple. Damn simple, guys. You guys are ready. You guys are enjoying, I know that. Alright, so 10 mountain climbers done. Now, next boxer shuffle. Boxer shuffle, shuffling, you can say jogging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Yes. Last warm up of the day, guys, and that's it. Cross jack. Okay. 15-second break again. I want all of you to catch up. If you're not able to catch up during the warm up, it's all right. I'll take a break after the warm up is over. All of you can come to the finishing line. Okay. So main is like starter. See, we're in a restaurant. We all have ordered some food, and the starter has come. The chicken pieces, maybe a vegetarian, then mushroom pieces, paneer pieces. I have finished everything. That doesn't mean that I'll finish the main course also. We'll all wait. So everybody finish the starter, then we'll have the main course. Okay. So last warm up of the day, that is cross jack. Let's finish this, and we'll all have together a great lunch, great main course. All right. See, this is a posture when we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. We have done it, guys. The starter is over. I mean, for me it's over. I just want that all of you should finish your startup. Then we can move to the main course. Okay. I'll wait for you before you start for the main exercise. Done with the starter, ready for the main course. And finally, we're going to have a dessert. Let me know. I'm just waiting for you. Let some water in between. Break time. Okay, done with the starter right now. All have finished the starter right now. You want to have the main course. Are you ready, guys? Are you going to go for the kill? Are you going to make it big? Yes? Great, ready for the main course. I know starter is just fun, just a kind of kiddo thing. We are waiting for the main. We're adults, no? We want for the main thing, right? Alright. Yeah. So let's have the lunch together. Okay. So it's a main course. So breakfast. Let's say it's a breakfast together. We're gonna have it. We had the initial starter and all. Now we're gonna have a great mega breakfast of the day. Are you ready for the breakfast, guys? So let me discuss what is in the menu in the breakfast. Okay, you wanna know what is the menu? Is idli, sambar, omelette? What else is there? The 4 different items are there. You're gonna have it. Okay. Everybody can have unlimited, but I'll suggest have 10 to 15 times. Otherwise, you'll have a stomach problem. Okay. So there are 4 different items in the menu for the main course. Let me explain you what are there. Okay, so that you get idea. All right. The first one. Okay. While I explain, I'll make the sound less so that you guys get to know what is this. Okay, first one is a staggered push-up. Now what is staggered push-up? Let me explain a little bit. A staggered push-up is basically an aerobic exercise without oxygen. That means it gives you good strength, stamina for the body. It's an advanced push-up variation. Great for the core, great for the triceps, shoulders, deltoid circles, the back, and give you a great strength and rotator cuffs, right? Okay, let me explain what is that. What is a staggered push-up? So you're going to be in a plank, and so when you're plank, understand of any push-up, your palms should be just below the shoulders, right? Now what you do is staggered is an advanced variation, as I said. So right hand move 6 inches. Okay, you're like this. Your palm just below the shoulders. Right hand 6 inches. Left hand 6 inches. Okay. Now see now my posture, how it is like. Okay. From here 6 inches, 90 degrees elbows. What I do is 1, 2, like this. Okay, 3. Now, if a beginner, less than 10 classes, put your knees down and do like this. 1, 2, 3. Right? Now, this is 10 times you have to do. Then, again you back to the plank position. 6 inches left hand, right hand 6 inches. Get a staggered roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So that's it. Okay. Staggered push up. A staggered push up, as I said, is a little advanced variation. But if you're not able to do staggered, put your knees down and do it. Pretty simple. Alright? Oh, okay. That's the staggered push up. Let me explain the next one. Quad 4 tricep dips and 4 toe touch. Okay? Basically, the primary muscle groups you're going to impact it is your quadriceps, lower arms, your shoulders, triceps, everything. So, what I'm going to do is be like in this position. Okay? Lifted, butts lifted, your fingertips pointing towards the butts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 4 times tricep dips. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tricep dips and 4 toe touch. Crab toe touch, okay, together. So the second exercise. Okay, if you're not clear, will explain you again. In case you are a beginner, less than 10 classes, what you do is put your butt down. Okay. Now try to do this. Try to do less times. Okay, only maybe you can do tricep lifts, or maybe you can do only one thing you can do. You can put your butts down. You can also do crab toe touch. It's a little bit easier one if you're less than 10 classes. Okay, you can do, because tricep dip also you cannot do it, when butts are down. So only one exercise you need to do is, as a beginner, is a crab toe touch like this. Okay, butts down and you keep on touching your toes. If you're a beginner, if you're advanced, 4 times tricep dips and 4 times crab toe touch. Right? So that is the second exercise of the day. Alright. Third one is crisscross crunches. Pretty simple. Crisscross gives a great core strength. Your back will be stronger. Your lower abs, lower back muscles, obliques. In fact, love handles. What is your love handles? The oblique area, right? Great handles, but we don't love them anymore. We want to get rid of them. So what are you crisscross crunch? Be like this. Your legs little lifted. Then yes. 1, 2, 3. It's like cycling. You can call it bicycle crunch also if you want, the way you want. Great for your lower back, your obliques, and a great exercise in fact. Okay, this is a crisscross crunch. It's actually a great for getting rid of your fat on your abs. Okay. Fourth one is 4 shoulder tap and 4 arms forward. Okay, how it is? So shoulder tap is a great exercise. Gives you good strength for the core, your glutes, your arm, shoulders, reduces the back pain, and also gives you good posture, great form, and great midsection. And so that is your shoulder tap and plank position. So 4 shoulder tap, be on the plank. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So shoulder tap, plank position, 4 times shoulder tap, and what I do is 4 times arm forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 iterations, and we'll do 10 times like this. Okay. So that is a 4 different exercise. Okay. Anybody is not clear or clear, then you can start with the main course. I explain you what is on the menu. If you're a little confused whether this is for me or not, is it a vegetarian item? You generally ask to the people, right? The person who is serving. That is okay. But are you clear what is there on the menu? All the 4 items. Before having the breakfast, the great Wednesday breakfast, do you know what is there on the menu? Very clear. Vijay Lakshmi is clear. She knows what to eat, what to pick up first. How about others? If you're all good, we can start right away. I'm ready to go for the kill. Are you guys ready to go for the kill? This is a time to go for the kill and give it back to all negativity all around, to all the frustration around, everything all around. Just give it back in a different way. Okay? Alright guys, so let's play the music. I'll do 10 to 15 times, so advanced people can do 10 to 15 times. The beginners, less than 10 classes, can do 10 times. And after each iteration, we'll do around 30 seconds of break. Okay, so let's play the music now. Looking good to go, guys. Alright, start with the staggered push-up, guys. Get ready. Alright guys, we're gonna start. So plank person, your palms are just below the shoulders, body straight. Moving one arm between 6 inches here, 6 inches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Other side. Again the plank position. Quite simple. 6 inches here, 6 inches there. Now moving down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Done, guys. Going for the kill, guys. I tested the first menu on the breakfast. Sorry, the breakfast first menu is awesome. Second item, I'm gonna have it. Are you guys ready? 30-second break in between. All right. A lot of new people are there. That's good. We're close to 40 people now. It's great. At 7:30, 40 people doing workout is awesome. So first exercise is done. Moving to the second one. Hope you guys are also ready. Let's gonna start big. Okay. So 4 tricep dips and 4 toe touch. Okay. So look at me. Gonna have it really good. Okay. Your butts down. Lift your butts with finger. With the fingertips pointing toward the butts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just one exercise, one repetition, or do 10 repetitions like this. 1. You want to make it difficult. Move your legs a little farther. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe touch. 1, 2, 3. It's not easy, by the way. It's not easy. And beginners, you do only 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to lift your butts and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So advance, you guys have to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times done. 7 more to go. Your body will start showing the symptoms. 3, 4. 1, 2. Try to touch your toes. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last two. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not easy, by the way. Do 5 times if you can. 1, 2, 3. Keep your butts down if you are feeling tired. 2, 3. And you can do the easier one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, see, keeping the balance is not easy. So keep your butts down and you can do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay. It's okay. It doesn't matter how many times you're doing or how much perfect you are, because you can't never be perfect in exercise. You can do all kind of versions, but don't stop it. Keep doing it. Do it as long as you can do it. Okay? It's a journey of life. You can't quit. If you quit, you're over. You keep doing it as long as you're able to breathe and you're able to have the energy to go for it. So we are done with the another exercise, and we'll now move to third exercise. 30-second break. In fact, this one, while combining 2 exercises, you can do 5 times, not even 10 times. We're doing 2 exercises together. So 10 times will be difficult, do it 5 times. It's okay. So today we are doing around 6 exercises, if I tell you. 4 exercises we are doing, and 2 of them have combo offers, right? So that is where you can do 5 times. Great, superb. 10 you can do, that's awesome. I know it's not easy, but you have to do it. Okay, third exercise of the day, crisscross crunches. Alright guys, try to catch up. If not, that's alright. Again, it's like a breakfast menu. I have finished my idli doesn't mean that you have to finish your idli. You enjoy your idli, take your time. After idli I can have an omelette. You don't have to have an omelette. You have something else, that's okay. That means you are trying to do at your speed, not at my speed. Understand? Your speed is important, not my speed. You just follow what I'm saying, but do at your speed. Alright? Now, third exercise with the crisscross crunches. 10 times each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. This is easy one. So get some easier one in between so that you guys won't find it too taxing. So third exercise is done. Now fourth one is gonna start now. 30-second break in between. Alright. So you can type also how many times you are doing it. It's okay. Okay, 5 times per. Yeah, correct. I mean, you might not be perfect all the time. It's okay to do it. If you find it difficult, put your butt down and start doing it. Do the little easier one so that you get energy to do again the advanced one. Okay? It's okay. For the tricep dips and maybe for a toe touch, keep your butt down. That's the easier one. It's not difficult. You can do it. I know you guys can do it. You guys are champions, man. I mean, I don't need to prompt you. I don't need to motivate you. You guys are just champion. You are just self-motivated, self-driven people. I mean, I'm just a kind of organizer. You guys are self-motivated guys. You can do it. I know that. Great. Next one, we'll move to fourth exercise. And 4 shoulder tap folds, 4 times arm forward, 10 times we'll do it. Plank, position. Now, count it. Already guys, last exercise for the main exercise 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Last 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last exercise of the day. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Main exercise. Fourth one is over. We did it, guys. First round is over. We have some more round to go. Alright? Yeah. You guys will be sweating. I know that. I've started sweating. And kick it off, shake it off. Wow. Don't let the sweat tire you up. Down. Just kick it off. Wow. I'll just play again some music with a little slower sound. Yeah. Kick it off, shake it off. Take some break. 30-second break before you start for the next one. First round done, great. Are you guys enjoying it? Are you guys feeling the pull? Are you guys feeling the stretch? Are you guys feeling the burn? Yes or no? I want to hear some sounds, guys. Give a shout out. How do you guys feel? I know you are just doing shoulder tap, quite difficult. Good shout out. Yeah, great. To start with the second set. First set is over. We have one more 2 set to go. Make sure I will do at least 2 to 3 sets because this is not easy. We are doing advanced versions, complex exercise, combinations, variations all together. So, now let's start. Staggered push up 10 times each side. Understand? Quite interesting exercise if you do it right. Now, plank position. One hand 6 inches forward, other hand 6 inches back. Now, in a staggered roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, boy, 10. That's good. Plank again. Now, get one left hand little 6 inches further, the right hand 6 inches back. They are like shoulder length. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. That's awesome, guys. We're done with 10 times staggered push-up. Now we're going to move further. Tricep dips and toe touch. Tricep dips and toe touch is a great exercise. It's a combination. So let's do it 5 times. Okay? Painful, enjoy. Yeah. Your whole body will be on fire. Your upper body will be fire. Your upper body is drawing energy from the lower body. Lower body will say, oh, I am also feeling the pain. Upper body is completely on fire. You are feeling the burn. Whole body is right now movement. We finished dynamic stretch, great dynamic stretch. We are doing the real hardcore main exercise. If you're gonna want the easier one, put your knees down or your butt down and do the easier one. You can do it actually. It's not difficult. Anybody beginner also can do it. If you easy one you follow and slightly get into a difficult one, right? Yes, 2 variations. We're doing a lot of variations, by the way. It's not the easy one. We do advanced version of push-up we did today. Okay. Now I'm moving for the next one, which is we do 5 times because it's a combination. A little difficult, I know that. 4 times, so tricep dips, and 4 times toe touch is not an easy one. I did it first time. I knew many of you will find it difficult, not easy. So I'll do 5 times. Second exercise, 4 side tricep dips and 4 times toe touch. But before I do that, I wanna play some music for you, for all the warriors here, all the champions. 4 times tricep dips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. It's very easy to lose the balance. I know you'll lose it. I've lost many times. 1 time done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your fingers should be pointing at the butt. Your back should be straight. 4 times down and 4 times crab toe touch. We are doing 2 exercises. Okay? That is why I want to make sure you are doing at least 5 times. Because it's not 5, it's 5 plus 5, which is 10. Okay? One more to go. Wow. Guys, I'm loving it. Done. Second exercise done. 30-second break before I move for the crisscross crunches. Yeah, okay. Super painful sweating, enjoying, great. One thing for sure, after this exercise, you will start loving yourself. This is known as self-love. You love yourself more than anything else. I know many of us don't love each other. Okay, I am not good in this, I am not good at that, I look like this, I look like that, my skins are not good, this is not good, that is not good. Forget it, hell with that. You'll start loving yourself. That is what the whole idea of the exercise. The exercise is all about making you fall in love with each other, for yourself in fact, So that is where you can do more of yourself. Give your best shot. Okay, so move to the third exercise, which is crisscross crunches. Okay, crisscross crunches, loving it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there my God. So good exercise. I find it fun. Last exercise of the second round. Oh wow, great Brahmananda, that's awesome. Last exercise of the second round, guys. And you're having great main course. The main course is awesome. You are getting the food in time. Awesome food, no problem. No quarantine thing. Enough, it is there. No lockdown, no quarantine. We all are together, no mask. Okay, we're talking to each other. Believe me. Now, looking somebody without a mask is difficult nowadays. I can't imagine anybody without a mask. But fun that we all are here without a mask. That's the power of social media. Love it. Alright, so fourth exercise, I'm gonna do it now. 4 shoulder tap and 4 arm forward, right? Okay, plank position. 1, 2. What happened to the music, yeah? I don't get a little bit music is always good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times done, 8 times to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third done, 6 times more to go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can't do it, look, put your knees down. You can do it easily. In shoulder tap, you can do knees down as well. Little easier version. Good for beginners. If you find a little tired, put your knees down and keep doing it. Don't stop. Just keep doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 more to go. 2, 3. Again, lift your knees up. You're back to the real person. 4. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 4. 1, 2, 3. It's difficult to keep your straight back, but try to do it. It's okay. If you slow down, your back should not bend too much. Keep it straight. Done with the second set as well. You're feeling the fire, you're feeling the burn. Okay, the brain is getting the sensation, the body is coming out of a comfort zone. Actually, you know what? If you are doing this exercise regularly, what is going to happen? You are going to come out of the quarantine. Okay? The time you are sleeping, the time you are lazy, watching TV and all, you are in quarantine period. The time you do exercise, yeah, I'm not a quarantine guy. I'm back, normal routine. I'm energetic. I'm excited. Nothing in the world can impact me. I am the best. That feeling will come to mind. Okay? So it's always good to come out of quarantine during this time, doing the workout. You'll feel you're out of this period, bad times. Okay? Great. Alright guys, so now we're moving to the third set and the last set of the day. Okay, after that we'll cool down because we've done so much exercise. Third set should be good. 3 rounds. Okay? Let's start. Staggered push-up. Hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side, staggered push-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good. 15-second break now because we are coming to the close. Almost 15-second break. Many of the first timers. Just making sure you're not too tired. Okay, now getting 4 tricep dips and 4 toe touch 5 times each. Okay, what we're gonna do is be on this position. Now tricep dips 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times done. 3 more to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more to go. I'm doing 5 times, but actually 10 times because 2 exercises are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, done. Wow, feeling awesome, guys. Getting the energy, shake it up, kick it up. All the sweat should be gone. Okay, third exercise, crisscross crunches. Alright, we'll do crisscross crunches now 10 times. Alright, ready guys. It's a great exercise for obliques and for your lower abs, upper abs. 1, 2. Try to touch the knee with your elbow. If you can touch, it's good. If not, it's okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I want, I can do a little more. It's okay. Alright. Done with the third exercise. 15-second break. Look at the last exercise of the day, guys. Last exercise. 4 shoulder taps and 4 arm forward. Okay. Last exercise, and we'll close with this because we had some great time doing everything together. Okay. But before that, I want all of you should come for the last exercise together. We should do it together. Okay. I'll be waiting for some time before I do the last exercise. Let me know if I finish 3 sets and you are ready to go with me to try some exotic food. Last main course, so I'm gonna try something extravagant, something exotic, but only if you have finished already. I found something very interesting. I mean, last exercise I mean to say, we're gonna do it together. We're going to have it together. Okay. The last exercise, we should again come back to the table and have the great menu. Okay. So who is ready? Last exercise of the day. Who is coming? Who is coming for the last feed of the day? I'll be waiting. Just tell me when you're done. We can do it together. 4 shoulder tap, 4 arm forward, and we're done. That's it, man. It's so simple. It's not difficult, it's just a mind game. The exercise is not like a body game, it's mostly a mind game. If you look at Milind Soman, he's 55, okay? And you cannot say that you can't do it, okay? You are much younger than, all of you are much younger than him. Ready for the last? Great. All right. Good guys, last exercise of the day. Let's give it your best. 4 shoulder tap and 4 arm forward, right? With the great music, and after that we'll cool down. Alright, starting. Be in a plank. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One time done. 10 times, 9 times to go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 5 more to go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last exercise. Give your best, guys. Don't give up. This is the last one. Your body is on fire. Oh, don't give up. 4. 3 more. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 more. Last 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Last exercise. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Done with for the day, guys. Done. Give a pat. All of you are ready, guys? Are you done also along with me? How many are done? Say yes. Yeah. If you're not done, no problem. Please come. We're going to close together. We're going to close together, guys. And have something interesting. We have to close together. All of you stand up. Where you are. The cool down we should do together. Great. Give a pat on your shoulders, guys. All of you give a pat on your shoulders. Like this. Because you are making it happen. You are regular to the classes. You are doing it whatever it takes. And you are not missing, you are not giving in excuses. Give a pat on your shoulders, guys, all of you. I will do this. Yeah? Because you guys are champions. You are not giving it. You are not having any excuses. You are the best. Give a pat. Yes, I am the best. Say, I am a champion. Say, I am the best. I am a champion. I am the best and I am the champion. I can do it. I won't give it up. I won't give up. I can do it. I am the best. Just tell it 3 times. I am the best. I am a champion. I am the best. I am a champion. And I am the best. And I am a champion. And now we'll cool down, guys. All of you. Cooling down. This for your legs. Because there's some stretching on the legs. Alright. For your arms. Okay. Some stretching. All of you should say you're the best. The cooling down is all about going back to normal, getting energy back for your back. Back and chest. This is for your chest, for your lower back. Stretch. Try to stretch. Good stretch for your all hamstrings, shoulders, for the core and everything. Good, guys. Arm stretch. Alright guys, this is a tricep stretch. We do some tricep dips, so you have to touch it, try to touch it if you can. It's alright, it's good. Great guys, awesome. So we're done for the day guys. As I said, you guys are the best and you guys are making it happen. Keep coming to our sessions and I'll tell you the best thing you can do right now. The excitement what you have. Share this video in your timeline. All of you have a Facebook account? Anybody here who doesn't have a Facebook account? You are all on a Facebook Live. It's not that you won't have an account. Share this video in your timeline so that many more people can get benefited. The quarantine period, depression period, there are many things are happening around, and workout will help people to have mental strength. So share this video in your timeline. Let many more people get impacted. And all of you, please take care of yourself. Take enough water in the day. Take nuts. Take bananas. Take fruits. Get a lot of energy, because your consumption is what is required also to spend the energy. All of you also take care of have a good sleep, 6 to 9 hours in a day. Okay, that's required. And definitely I will again see you in the next session. And with this I'm done and signing off. See you again in next class. Thanks for joining. Thanks to all of you for making it happen. All of you are champions. All of you are the best. All of you are warriors. Okay, and nothing in the world can impact, and nothing will impact your thought, and you can definitely grow in life. You'll make it big. With this I'm done. See you again in next class. Thank you guys.